Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll see this mobile Samsung A21s. We'll see if Ethernet can work in this one or not. So I'm gonna connect it over here. We'll turn off the internet, Wi-Fi. Go to the settings, connections, more connection settings. There is Ethernet. Select Ethernet. We'll connect the cables. Connect it in the modem. Configure the device. I will select DHCP. That's it. It's working fine. We'll see Play Store. Speed test. You can see the icon over here for Ethernet. There is an icon for Ethernet and the internet working from Ethernet. You will see this logo in the corner screen. See the speed now. You can see it is connected to the modem. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine with the Ethernet device. You can also configure the IP addresses for Ethernet. You can tap to setup. You can configure it for the static IPs. You can give it IP address, net masks, DNS address, default gateways and everything. So this Samsung A21s, it is working fine. About phone, I can show you This is SM A21. So thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.